Velocity Micro's Raptor M60 gaming desktop finds itself in a bizarre middle ground between mid-range and high-end PCs. The line between these two markets continues to blur as prices go down and performance goes up. PC builders like Velocity Micro have made a niche for themselves in the gray area between these two markets, offering up powerful computers at reasonable prices by using off-the-shelf components, like those in our Raptor M60 review unit. Our review model of the Raptor M60 featured an 8-core Ryzen 7 1800X processor, 16GB of memory, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card, and 2 hard drives, a 512GB SSD, and a 3TB hard disk for $3. Oh, that's a hefty price tag for a desktop. Even AXA0, but at first glance it's not a bad deal. Mix together high-end graphics, AMD's latest and greatest processor, and round it all out with a few mid-range components, and you have a rock-solid gaming PC. But occupying the middle ground between mid-range and high-end PCs means the Velocity Micro Raptor M60 faces stiff competition on both ends of the price spectrum. The Velocity Micro M60 is a big black rectangle. It offers small windows on the side and on the top, where the glowy blue fans show through. But otherwise it's form over function. It's not the flashiest design we've ever seen, but a striated pattern on the otherwise matte black chassis does give everything a quality feel, and a certain understated elegance. The case itself doesn't call attention to itself, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's nice to see that not gaming desktop has to be decked out in black and red, with a big open side window to show off a fancy lighting rig inside. Origin and Digital Storm, for instance, offer similarly spec'd